5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equal what? Here this 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. This 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. This division 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. But it is not correct. Now I will solve this math correctly. When we have more than one division, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this division, then this division, then this division. Here this 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 divided by this 5 divided by this 5. We can write this 1 divided by 5 as 1 over 5 divided by this 5. Now we will apply KCF rule to solve this math correctly. Here KCF. K for keep, C for change, F for flip. At first we will keep this fraction 1 over 5. Then change this division to multiplication and flip this 5 as 1 over 5. Here 1 times 1 gives us 1 over 5 times 5 gives us 25. 1 over 25 is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.